Hey, it's Allison with Jones Family Travels. We are still here at the Dockside Resort at Universal Orlando. We're gonna hop on the bus and head to the Universal Parks. Today's video is a fun one. I hope you guys are hungry. We are going to find the top snacks here at Universal Orlando Resort. Are you guys hungry? I know we are. We skipped breakfast just for this video today. All right, let's go get on the bus and head to the Universal Parks. Our first stop for the top snacks at Universal Orlando is VooDoo Doughnuts. This quick service stop is located at Universal CityWalk. You can find some epic donuts at VooDoo Doughnuts, like Grape Ape with vanilla frosting, grape dust and purple sprinkles, or the Loop with vanilla frosting and Fruit Loops. Be sure you use the mobile ordering to save time waiting in line. We like to pop in for a breakfast treat. We also like picking up a dozen donuts after we leave Universal Orlando for breakfast the next morning. It is a fun treat during your Orlando vacation. Our next top snack at Universal Orlando is close to VooDoo Doughnuts in Universal CityWalk. This dining spot has a quick service and sit-down location. You can get the next snack at both. So what is this next snack? Milkshakes! Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen features huge and tasty milkshakes. You can get milkshakes like red velvet, key lime pie, cookie jar, and strawberry cheesecake. Each milkshake is big enough for 2 to 3 people to share. They're served in a cute jar with a piece of cake or pie, whipped cream, and extra toppings. They look amazing and taste delicious. Besides the milkshakes, you may want to wander through the gift shop. This location has lots of chocolate treats, macarons, and more. Our next snack at Universal Orlando takes us to Islands of Adventure. This is one of our favorite Universal parks in the Jones family. Tim was actually on the project team that helped build Islands of Adventure, so we love this park. A fun area for the whole family is Seuss Landing at Islands of Adventure. This whole island is themed after Dr. Seuss characters. It is a lot of fun. On a hot day, we love popping over to Moose Juice, Goose Juice. Our kids love ordering the green apple flavored Goose Juice. It's a refreshing snack on a warm Florida day. Another delicious snack on a hot day is over at Toon Lagoon at Islands of Adventure. This next dining spot is one of my favorites to just eat a quick lunch and relax. You also have an amazing view of the ride called Popeye and Bluto's Bilge Rat Barges. It is fun to eat lunch and watch this water ride. This is also the only location at Universal Orlando Resort with Dole Whips. This pineapple ice cream is super popular at Disney World. Disney fanatics love that you can find this sweet treat at Universal Orlando too. You can get a Dole Whip in a cup or a cone. You can then grab a spot in the shade to relax a few minutes with your family. For the next top snacks at Universal Orlando, we are heading over to Universal Studios. Our next 2 snacks are both located in the Simpsons area called Springfield. The first snack is a hidden gem. It is the Flaming Moe at Moe's Tavern. Many guests never even go into Moe's Tavern thinking it's only for adults. The entire family is welcome to come into Moe's Tavern and even get a drink. One of our favorite drinks is the non-alcoholic Flaming Moe. Our kids go nuts over this drink. It is orange soda with dry ice billowing out of the glass. It is a really cool drink. If you're looking for epic pictures or videos to send home to your friends and family or to post on Instagram or Facebook, the Flaming Moe is a must-do snack. Our next top snack at Universal Orlando is located across the street from Moe's Tavern called Lard Lad Donuts. However, you may have seen this snack all around Universal Orlando. What is this snack? Why, the huge pink donuts. These donuts are bigger than your face and make for some funny family pictures. These donuts are so big, a family of 2 can split one. Kelly actually likes these donuts better than VooDoo Doughnuts. Our next snack takes us to one of our favorite places at Universal Orlando called Diagon Alley at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Before we jump into the snack, click the eye in the sky to check out the ultimate guide to the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This guide will help you plan your time at both Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley. Let's jump back into our next snack. Do you have an idea of the next top snack at Universal Orlando at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter? Why? It's the classic Butterbeer. This is a must-do during a Universal Orlando vacation. We also love drinking it without the straw to get the classic Butterbeer mustache like Hermione in Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. You can get a Butterbeer regular, frozen, or hot. The Butterbeer drinks are super sweet. We always split a Butterbeer in our family. Half of a Butterbeer is more than enough, even for teens and adults. You can ask the team member for an extra cup to share. Butterbeers are delicious. If you're looking for a Harry Potter experience but want to avoid the super sweet Butterbeer, we recommend Eternelle's Elixir of Refreshment. This little spot is located in Diagon Alley across from the Gringotts Money Exchange. You can also find this treat in the Fountain of Fair Fortune at Diagon Alley. You can pick your favorite elixir color and a gilly water. Your child can then pour the elixir into the water to transform the beverage. They're really mixing flavoring like Kool-Aid in with the water. The kids, even my teens, love this beverage at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Besides these snacks at Universal Orlando, watch for any special event treats. Some of our favorite treats are during special events like Halloween Horror Nights, Christmas, or Mardi Gras. During these events, Universal Orlando offers exclusive treats just during the event, like Run Donuts from Stranger Things for Halloween Horror Nights, or beignets for Mardi Gras. Be sure you check out the special events during your visit for these exclusive snacks. What did you guys think of the top snacks here at Universal Orlando? Do you have a favorite snack that we didn't include in our list? Leave a comment below. Thanks so much for joining. Keep on dreaming, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.
Ah, that's good. It literally has Kool-Aid on it.
Is that what that is? That's Kool-Aid flavoring? Grape Kool-Aid?
I think so.